The stolen wallet. Leo was a university student who worked part-time at a small coffee shop called Brew. He was a kind young man with messy brown hair and glasses, always wearing a warm smile for his customers. One rainy Tuesday afternoon, the coffee shop was quiet. Only a few people were sitting at tables, sipping their drinks and reading. An elderly man named Mr. Perkins entered the shop. He was a regular customer, always ordering the same thing, a black coffee and a blueberry muffin. Mr. Perkins had gentle eyes and always carried a worn, brown leather wallet. That wallet was special to him because his late wife had given it to him many years ago. "Good afternoon, Leo," Mr. Perkins said with a soft voice. "Hello, Mr. Perkins." "The usual?" Leo asked cheerfully. "Yes, please," Mr. Perkins replied. He placed his wallet on the counter while searching his pocket for his reading glasses. Just then, his phone rang. He answered it, looking worried. "I'll be right there," he said into the phone and then turned to Leo. "I'm so sorry, my neighbor says my cat is stuck in a tree again. I have to go. I'll come back for my coffee later." He hurried out of the coffee shop, completely forgetting his wallet on the counter. Leo noticed the wallet just as a new customer stepped up to order. He was a tall man in a dark coat, looking nervous. Leo quickly put the wallet under the counter for safekeeping, planning to give it back when Mr. Perkins returned. The man in the dark coat ordered an espresso and sat at a corner table. He kept looking around, as if he was watching for someone. Leo didn't think much of it at first and continued his work. About 10 minutes later, a woman named Sarah came in. She was a good friend of Leo's from university, studying to be a teacher. She had a bright personality and often visited the coffee shop to study. "Hey, Leo. Slow day?" she asked, leaning on the counter. "Pretty quiet," Leo said. "But Mr. Perkins forgot his wallet earlier. I hope he's okay, he rushed out because his cat was in trouble." "That's sweet of you to keep it safe," Sarah said. She ordered a latte and found a table near the window. Just as Sarah sat down, the man in the dark coat stood up quickly. He walked to the counter and, when Leo was helping another customer, he reached over, grabbed Mr. Perkins's wallet from under the counter, and slipped it into his coat pocket. Then he left the coffee shop without finishing his drink. Leo didn't see the theft happen. It was only when Mr. Perkins returned, looking tired but relieved, that Leo realized the wallet was gone. "My cat is safe now, thank goodness," Mr. Perkins said. "I think I need that coffee now, Leo." "Of course, Mr. Perkins," Leo said. He reached under the counter for the wallet to return it, but his hand found nothing. His heart sank. "Mr. Perkins, your wallet, it was right here, but now it's gone." Mr. Perkins's face turned pale. "Gone? But it has everything in it, my credit cards, some cash, and a photo of my wife. It's irreplaceable." Leo felt terrible. "I'm so sorry. I'll help you find it. I promise." Sarah overheard the conversation and came over. "What's wrong?" "Mr. Perkins's wallet is missing," Leo explained, his voice filled with guilt. "Did you see anyone near the counter?" Sarah asked. Leo thought hard. There was a man in a dark coat. He left in a hurry. "I didn't see him take it, but he was acting strangely." Sarah's eyes lit up with an idea. "The coffee shop has a security camera. Maybe we can see what happened." They asked their manager, Mrs. Gable, to check the camera footage. Mrs. Gable was a strict but fair woman who cared deeply about her customers. She quickly pulled up the video from the last hour. There, clear as day, they saw the man in the dark coat stealing the wallet. "We have to call the police," Mrs. Gable said. But Leo had another thought. The man was here for a while before he took it. He might live or work nearby. If we describe him to people in the area, maybe someone knows him. Mr. Perkins looked hopeful. "It's worth a try." So, Leo, Sarah, and Mr. Perkins decided to investigate themselves. They left the coffee shop and started asking people on the street if they had seen a tall man in a dark coat. They visited the nearby bookstore, the grocery store, and the park. No one had seen him. They were about to give up when Sarah noticed a small, hidden alley behind the coffee shop. There, sitting on a box and counting money from the stolen wallet, was the man in the dark coat. "Hey. That's him," Sarah whispered. The man looked up, saw them, and immediately started running. "Stop. Thief!" Leo shouted, chasing after him. The man was fast, but Leo was younger and more athletic. He chased him through the alley, across a busy street, and into a small parking lot. Sarah and Mr. Perkins followed as quickly as they could. In the parking lot, the man tripped over a loose brick and fell. Leo caught up and stood in front of him, blocking his escape. "Please, don't hurt me," the man begged, holding out the wallet. "I'm sorry. I lost my job, and I was desperate. I didn't mean to cause trouble." Mr. Perkins arrived, breathing heavily. He took the wallet from the man's trembling hand. "Why did you take it?" "This wallet means more to me than the money inside." The man, whose name was David, explained that he had been struggling to find work and had a family to support. He saw the wallet on the counter and made a terrible mistake. "I understand desperation," Mr. Perkins said kindly, "but stealing is not the answer. There are other ways to get help." Just then, 2 police officers arrived. Mrs. Gable had called them when she saw the chase from the coffee shop window. David admitted to the theft and was taken to the police station. The officers said he would likely receive community service since he returned the wallet and confessed. Back at the coffee shop, Mr. Perkins checked his wallet. Everything was still inside, including the photo of his wife. He hugged Leo and Sarah tightly. "Thank you both for your help. You didn't have to do all this for me," he said with tears in his eyes. "Of course we did," Leo replied. "We're a community here. We look out for each other." A few weeks later, Mr. Perkins visited the coffee shop with a surprise. He had spoken to a friend who owned a local garage, and they offered David a job after he completed his community service. David was grateful for the second chance and promised to never steal again. Leo learned an important lesson that day: always be vigilant, but also be compassionate. Sometimes people make mistakes, and everyone deserves a chance to make things right. From that day on, the coffee shop became more than just a place to get coffee. It was a place where friendships grew, and people helped each other through difficult times. And Mr. Perkins never forgot his wallet again, always keeping it safely in his inside pocket, close to his heart.